Alright, look, I take this deck and now I shuffle maybe like this. It's really true, and spectator stop anytime. Maybe stop me here, it's really free. And now I cut maybe like this, cut like this, cut like this. Snap my finger, now this ace, 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 and of course ace. You search for ace. It's really true. Ace of dime, ace of spades, I'm sorry, is ace leader, right? And now you take this deck, shuffle like this. And now please deal one by one 12 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's really true. Look. You take really 12 random cards. This is pile number 1. This is pile number 2. This is pile number 3. And this pile number 4. It's really true. And now I take this 4 ace and put in her like this. Look, 1, 2, 3. Snap my finger. Now this ace vanish. Of course, I take this piles ace, 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 and of course ace. It's really nice card trick. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Liking this video right now. Maybe share this video with your friend magician. Why not? And now take this deck and teach this really unbelievable card trick. It's really crazy. It's really no setup. It's really amazing card routine because it's really pure sleight of hand. It's really foundation card magic. It's really crazy. It's really true. Yes. Take deck and teach this trick. Let's go. Alright, first trick, you make a little setup. You take 4 cards. You take maybe 4 ace. You take maybe 4 king, 4 jack. You take really 4 any cards. I take 4 ace, spades, diamonds, clubs and hearts. And now this 4 ace, put in her like this. Alright, next step, you make any full shuffle, any full cut. Maybe shuffle like this. Of course, you control it, this 4 ace. Maybe you full cut like this. It's really anywhere. Maybe make shuffle like this. Of course, you control it, this 4 ace. Look, you take this deck like this. Your left hand take little pile. And now you make really shuffle. It's really true. And now this little pile, drop it like this. Of course, you control it, this 4 ace. I repeat, take this deck your right hand, make a shuffle, and this pile, drop it like this. I repeat, take little pile, make a really shuffle, and this pile, drop it like this. Of course, you control it, this 4 ace. Yes, it's really true. So the next step, you force this ace of spades. You take this deck like this, and now you take little pile and take this ace of spades and slip cut this ace of spades like this. And now you make really shuffle and spectator stop maybe here. And now you turn over this pile and drop it like this. Of course, this is ace number 1, right? And now this 3 ace. And next step, you turn over this pile. This finger count 1 cards, make a break. And now you make a swing cut and take this ace of diamonds like this and turn over this pile. It's really easy. Look, squeeze the deck. Take count 1 cards, make a break, make a swing cut and take this 1 ace, turn over. And now you repeat, count 1 cards, make a break, take little pile, make a swing cut and turn over this pile. And this pile turn over like this. And now snap my finger and turn over this 4 ace. It's really easy, it's really nice production 4 ace. And now you take this 4 ace, I'll show you this 4 ace, and turn over this 1 ace, maybe this ace of spades. And now this pile to take, drop it like this. 1 card face up, 3 cards face down. And now you take this 4 pile like this, spectator shuffle these cards. It's really true. And now spectator deal 1 by 1 12 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's really free, it's really 12 random cards. Next step, you take this pile. This is 4 ace, 3 ace face down, 1 ace face up, and drop it like this. and squeeze. And now turn over this pile and show it 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Turn over and drop it like this. Take 3 cards, turn over, drop it. Take 3 cards, turn over, drop it. And now use this finger, count 1 cards, because this is ace of spades. Count 1 cards and show it 3 cards. 1, 2, and this is 4 cards. You take these 4 cards and 1 card because this spectator thinks this is Jack of clubs. Of course, you take 6 cards. Alright, I repeat. 1, 2, and now count 1 cards, make a break, and take these 6 cards and turn over like this. And now you take 3 cards, 1, 2, 3, and drop it like this. Of course, you take this 3 ace. Alright. And now you take this 1 card, put in here like this. Take this 1 card, put in here, this put in here, and show it this ace of spades and put in here like this. Of course, you take this pile, snap your finger, make a spread, and show it ace really vanish, because your ace teleports this pile. It's really easy, it's really unbelievable card tricks. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.